Alright, welcome back to the mining cabinet. As you can see, 24-hour rewards are down to 83. So, I am going to go back to trying solo mining. So, this is the stratum for the KS0 at 2 miners. So, I have gone in and set it and rebooted. We are solo mining. So I will let you know in 24 to 48 hours how I do, because if I just win one block, if I win one block every 2 days at 180, even 175, I'm still almost even to pool mining. So hopefully we can win more than one block a day. I'm also solo mining my KD box. It's been going on over 24 hours. I haven't gotten a block yet. I was hoping with just the sheer amount of blocks that Kadena gets, even though it's not worth anything right now, could win some blocks, but that hasn't worked so far. So I'm going to keep an eye on that. And if that doesn't work out, I'm going to turn that one back off, put it back in the box. That's going to be part of the giveaway. Again, if you're new to the channel, I've broken 20, I think over 20 subscribers. Thank you guys. But just, I'm serious. I've got 3 original gold shell box miners. And I'm going to do a giveaway at 100 subscribers, 500 subscribers, and 1,000 subscribers. I'll give away those 3 miners. But in the meantime, I'll see if the KD box can win me some blocks. So we're doing some solo mining. We'll see how it works out. Oh, there it is. I've got it up. It's mining pretty good. 16 gigahash or 1,602 gigahash, which is really right on what it's supposed to get. The temperature's okay because it's actually inside sitting next to me. Probably need to go put it in a cabinet, which I have done an expansion on the mining cabinet. I will add on a little bit of that video to this just to show that I've been up all day and sweating my butt off in the garage. But thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe, leave comments, and I will continue to add content, and I will update you in the next 48 hours on how the solo mining is going. Thanks a lot. Welcome back to the mining cabinet. It is 5/24 August 27th. It's 90 degrees in the mining cabinet garage. 55% humidity. Supposed to get a little better this week. That's what I've been doing today. This piece of crap cabinet, oh my god, this is a piece. That's why it's so cheap. I put it on some 6x6s, and then I was able to take, that's actually like sidewalk or concrete, backer foam, little coil of foam, jammed it in there to plug the gap between the lower cabinet and the upper cabinet. As you can see, I've got air plenum space. Probably get some bigger and plug it again and make sure it's double plugged. That's what she said. But you can see it in there. I got my 2 hollows. I got one more on the way. V1 Mini Classic Plus, I think. The Z9 Mini is unplugged for now. I need to flash the firmware to something to get it to be where it can overclock. It's only doing 10 kilosouls. I know it can do 15 easy. Even though it doesn't make any money, it's something to play with. But over here, I straightened this up. Oh, my fan fell. So I got little USB fans. I'm probably gonna stick my finger in the blades. Yep. Oh, I can feel it coming. Oh, don't fall. Oh, that's my fingers. Yep. Oh, I had this thing wedged up in there better. Oh, come on. Come on. There. Yeah, maybe. Guess I'm with the zip tied up. Anyway, I got that fan blowing across there, that fan blowing into the other cabinet. Space these out so they get a little airflow between them. And there's a gap between the 2 that are up there. Also figured the air is flowing with the heat sink vanes, so it's not blocked down here. Probably put another one in there, just keep them cooler, although it's about to cool off, be fall. Down here I only have my jazz miner, but it's Got air intake from these filter boxes. They're 12 by 20. I think they are 12 by 20. Whatever size this one is. Yeah, 12 by 20 by 1 filters. And this thing is such a piece. That jazz miter's hooked up to 220, but I also have an outlet in here. I did a little bit of organizing it better and attaching stuff better, running cables better. I've got my network switch down there. This is attached. The network switch is attached. This is just zip tied down so it won't fall over and stay in place. Those are blowing up. When the Z9 is on, it'll be blowing up, or the other Apollo. I'll probably just take the Z9 out. I got it for 40 bucks, so can't complain. But I'm going to seal the doors right out of the weather stripping. You see I'm going to seal the doors so that it sucks through the filters. I'll plug up these holes, probably get some cable glands or something. Just tape those up so it pulls as much air as it possibly can through the filters and up. Just can't get back far enough. Up and out, and then it goes out the attic to the soffit out of vent, so it's venting outside. So this junky ass garage, but I'm all sweaty and nasty. But thanks for tuning in, and look for more videos in the future on the mining cabinet.